the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Ain't nobody fucking with me like they used to. Open seat in the coupe, so I scoop drink. I get caught up in my thoughts and I can think right. Caught up in the nightmare, so I don't sleep right. I just want them to treat me like they used to. I just want something rare that I'm used to. Yeah, I just want them to treat me like they. I just want something rare that I'm. Yeah. Went from no one to someone, at least I thought so. Stuck up in a bad dream, but you're front row. People wanted me that everything is gonna change. Never thought that it would be in the worst way. Life going up and going down at the same time. Suicidal thoughts creeping up in my mind. Drug dealer, pack a rape, been up in the fist. Only thing I fucking hate to get me through the shit. I've been stripped to follow. Lost relations with my dad. Damn, lost relations with the fam. Damn, lost touch of who I am. Say, I'm out seeking peace, like a seeking air to breathe. Pray to a God that I never thought I would believe. Grant me serenity for all the things I cannot change, but still I know that what I can.
Ain't nobody fucking with me like they used to. Open seat in the coupe, so I scoop you. I get caught up in my thoughts and I can think right. Caught up in the nightmare, so I don't sleep right. I just want them to treat me like they used to. I just want something real that I'm used to. I just want them to treat me like. I just want something real that I'm, yeah. All my life I've been waiting till the time right. Waiting for that shade of light that made me shine bright. They turned the night, yeah, it's turned to months. Wishing I could press the pause button just once. Hiding in the back, trying to catch it to the front. Everything I like, I make up for when I stun. More bitches, more money, more drugs, more wonders, more stuff. The more I want, the more I'm feeling fucking stuck.
What the fuck was that, Fred?
They literally took my. I smell like bitch. Okay, but that's your issue, not mine. And you. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Run it, run it. What the fuck did you do?
I mean, I'm pregnant. Are you pregnant? What's the baby do? Yeah, what's it do?
I still didn't turn it off. Hey, stop jacking off back there and come over here. Barrel clogged off. The whole I gotta wipe it, shit! I don't wanna! Come out of these, I waste too many people, thank you. One, and it's 160. So be sparingly, alright?
I'm about to blow.
Hold on. Thanks. Hey, don't call your hips, bro. Hey, call your hips! Ah!